Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 in the shower tile repair. Just working on the floor here. I don't lay tile ever without back buttering. I've had adhesion problems in the past, so I never lay tile without spreading the mortar and then back buttering the tile. Also, here's another tip: if you can get light colored mortar when you're using light colored grout, that'll make your life a whole lot easier. But this is the quick setting grout, so it doesn't come in white. And there's my awesome camera skills failing. For the curb that I'm using, what I did is I made a template out of a scrap piece of plywood here. And what I did is I got my template perfectly cut and fitted to the edge of the curb, so that way I could just measure the distance and transfer that onto this solid sill piece. That way I would know that I had a perfect fit, and it would just make life a lot easier that way. Just cleaning up the edges of this solid sill piece. We end up going with 2 of these solid sill pieces to cover up the old tile. My customer was able to get the old tile matched in size but not in color very well, so this was my solution to her to fix that, rather than waiting and trying to track down biscuit colored tile. Also, as you watch this, you'll see how the curb is going to be, and why. In part 1, I just used a just a light vapor barrier to cover up that that curb. Basically, once I get this piece in there and get it siliconed, it should be pretty waterproof, and much more waterproof than the old curb was. If any tile pros out there have any suggestions on how do you find or track down random tile that maybe your customers don't have and that you need for the job. I mean, it's most of the time, I go to Home Depot or Lowe's, and if they don't have it, then I go to Plan B. So what do you guys do? So here is the two sill pieces installed. So it almost makes a solid sill, except for the other side is still tiled individually, but looks pretty good if I do say so myself. Has a nice coping cuts on the side, so it fits perfectly to the trim and to the floor. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.